doing the plan?
Well,
Like the full plan.
Yeah, the full plan.
So, got to Dubrovnik today. We're going to spend 2 nights here.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get a catamaran to Korčula, which is our island. Island life. Then we are staying 2 nights in Korčula. Then we are getting a catamaran to Hvar, the party island. Staying 3 nights there. And then getting another catamaran to Split. And then 3 nights there, go home. So Dubrovnik, Korčula, Hvar, Split. There's so many.
I'm going to take all the times you see a cat. Right, and I'm going to do like a really fast cut. Like right here. You want to do a travel show?
Welcome to my crib. Is that the hut?
Oh.
Yeah. Sure.
I'm hot. Lauren, I'm hot.
You're hot.
Am I sweating?
Yeah, me too. Tart.
It's not so much tart as it is lukewarm. Status update.
Dying.
Boiling.
Dying.
Yeah.
We fucked ourselves, didn't we?
Pretty much. We went to this bar down by the sea on the walls of the city, and there was no shade whatsoever, and decided just to get beer there, and
It was a mistake.
it was clearly a mistake. This eye is like, oh Jesus Christ, I'm gonna stop pissing sweat.